Hello, welcome. Let us simplify this expression. They have given to us a plus b in the bracket square minus 3c in the bracket a plus b. When you check our question properly, you can see here a plus b and a plus b, they are common. Let us find the way to factor them out. Solution. We know a plus b square, this is the same as a plus b, again a plus b minus 3c a plus b. Let us factor out a plus b. So we factor out a plus b. We are going to remain with a plus b minus 3c. So our simplified form is going to be a plus b, a plus b minus 3c. And this is our simple form. I hope you understand. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment. See you next time. Bye.